Check out where I am right now. Do you see the mountain there? Right now it doesn't seem like we're on a beach side. 다대포 해수욕장 to the left.
If you want some never, just let me know.
Let's kick him out.
If you want some never, just let me know.
Katie, nice outfit. Let's do some modeling. Katie, so that's the new Jjimjilbang wear? Straight out of Busan?
But why do you have the glasses on?
Oh, sorry.
It's gonna melt.
Sorry. You know?
Nice.
This is the salt?
78 Celsius. I'm afraid the camera will melt. Oh, it's so hot. Oh my goodness. Oh, 뜨거. Oh my goodness. It's so hot.
Try to walk on it like this. This is the worst pillow ever, but anyway, you just put it on your neck.
Why? It's hot? I wish you can feel how stuffy it is inside. Oh.
Katie, what's the ritual? So first step, walk us through.
I'm not that good either, so let me see if it works.
Whoa, so it looks like you made some socks here. It's droopy. I thought it was supposed to be more tight. Here, model it for us. This is called the lamb technique. DJ, got some headphones? Yo, hey, oh.
Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Dun dun dun.
But they are very poor, like.
I think your dance activated the heat. We're gonna become shish kebab. You gotta learn how to do it right, yeah.
Oh, I'm so hot.
Let's see how long we can put our feet into this crazy sand. Ready?
No,
1, 2. Ice room.
Okay, I made one for you.
I was destined for this. Da, da, da. Alright.
It's ice, so it's gonna be minus.
Ice cold.
Oh, it's really cool.
Look at the ice. Look at the ice.
It seems like you're really enjoying this Jjimjilbang.
Yeah, you know what this reminds me of? When I was in Finland, we would go to sauna, and with my coworkers, one of them made a hole in the ice during the winter, and we jumped in, and whew, amazing experience.
Is it colder than here?
Of course, mochiron. How come you don't come inside? Come on in.
I'm too scared.
Give me Katie the Explorer pose. What is that? What is that?
This is my yoga pose.
You look so funny with the yangmori like that. Hey kid, are you okay? You want somewhere warmer? Alright, let's get out of here.
There are rooms for sleeping, separate rooms for men and women. This place is a lot more comfortable temperature. See the outside through here.
Katie, what 5-star gourmet meal have you brought us?
These are must-haves.
Alright Katie, show us what you got.
So we have the Sikhye.
Sikhye is what?
This is rice punch.
Cinnamon, sugar, water. And then it has like rice on the bottom.
And then ice inside. So it's perfect when you just come out of those hot sauna.
Yeah,
These are 훈제 계란.
What is 훈제 계란? Explain.
Specifically ordered this because Daniel wanted it. I don't want it, okay? Disappointed that I couldn't chew the rice thing inside.
That's good. It's perfect for right when you come out of the sauna. Why you hit it so hard?
I was gonna do it on your head, but hot sauna. They were cooked in the hot sauna.
Ah, yeah. These
together.
eggs, these eggs aren't just boiled. They're cooked a special way,
So they're brown. As
so
you
they
can
turn
see.
brown.
Can
Yeah.
you see?
It's not soy sauce eggs either.
Actually, they sell this type of eggs in convenience stores in Korea. So.
Hard boiled to death. We gotta give this a mix first. We gotta get the lid. Fold it in half.
You're gonna do the old style.
That's right. Fold it again. And then you just open up one side. That's our makeshift bowl. Blow it.
How is it?
Katie's doing some research. She wants to know why those eggs are brown. All right, Katie, explain.
Usually we boil egg at 100 Celsius, but these special eggs that are brown eggs, they're boiled at an even higher temperature. So when you cook an egg at a temperature of 170 Celsius, then the egg turns brown.
The egg turns brown. Why is that? Google has the answers.
Yeah, all these chemical reactions inside.
Katie, don't you think the Jjimjilbang experience is a must for newcomers in Korea? So after you sweat everything out, you go upstairs, and then there's a bunch of showers and spas. So you can dip into a jacuzzi. There's some green tea jacuzzi, all salt jacuzzi, and there's a pool.
And here we have an amazing view of the river outside.
Yeah.
So let me tell you a funny story. I had French friend and Mexican friend come over, and I took them to a Korean sauna. And in Korean sauna, the rule is that you have to take off all your clothes.
Yeah, you have to get
right?
butt naked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then this was awkward for them, so they went in with the swimsuit, and then we got told off by the manager inside.
They're like, this is not a water park.
All the ajumas are looking, and then one of the major.
But what was the issue? Why can't they just put bathing suits and go in?
I think they just said you're supposed.
That's the protocol you need to
can't wear
follow.
clothes, basically.
If you feel uncomfortable with getting butt naked with some friends, don't choose those friends. Come alone. Enjoy life naked for a little bit, and then go rejoin your friends later. Right? Bye bye.